Good morning all of you. You are welcome in RBNB College, which runs digital learning program under the guidance of Principal Dr. Gaikwad Saheb and Junior College Vice Principal Sau Pokharkar Madam and Supervisor Sri Kanerkar Sir. I am Sau Shinde. I teach biology. We shall learn the chapter number 3, Inheritance and Variation, on the same subject. First of all, the inheritance and variation. In this topic, all living organism, they are inherit the trait from one generation to another generation, and this offspring is resembled to their parents. They are similar to their parents. For example, in plants, pea plants, it germinates and produce the pea plants or pea seeds germinates into pea plant, and mango seeds also germinate into big mango tree. This is one of the example of inheritance. The first of all, this inheritance and variation, this topic is related to genetics. The first meaning of the genetics, the first term, genetics. What is the genetics? This genetics, it is one of the branch of biology which deals with study of heredity and variation. Study of heredity and variation. This is one of the branch of biology, and with this we study of heredity and variation. The first of all, the meaning of heredity. The heredity means the transmission of genetic information from one generation to the another generation. Transmission of genetic information from one generation to next generation. This term is known as a heredity. Transmission of the genetic information from one generation to another generation. Means some characters or some trait are processed from one generation to another generation is called the heredity. The next term, variation. The variation means differences among different kind of organism. These variation terms, they are the evolutionary characters are seen in organisms. Means these two terms are related in this topic, inheritance and variation. The heredity means inheritance, and also variation is occurring on all organisms. You know, the organisms, all living organisms, they are reproduces asexually, or a sexual type of reproduction is occurring in organisms. The asexual reproduction or vegetative type of reproduction occurring in plants, and this offspring is produces similar to their parents. Means it is from the clones. But in sexual type of reproduction, they are dissimilar characters, or variation is occurring on the next generation. And the sexual type of reproduction occurring in plants, means this plant part, flower, this flower is the most important part of the reproduction. In this topic, we shall learn the heredity and variation. The first of all, the first scientist, Gregor John Mendel, son of the pigeon family, was born in Marvia. This Gregor John Mendel, born in Marvia in 1822. This Mendel studied the mechanism of inheritance, and this Mendel was father of genetics. Some terms are studied under the guidance of Mendel. Mendel studied the garden pea plants, and there are several pair of contrasting character are also studied by Mendel. There are 7 characters. The Mendel studied the 7 pair of contrasting characters in garden pea plants. 7 pair of contrasting character studied by Mendel in garden pea plant. The garden pea plant, the botanical name of pea plant is Physarum sativum. So botanical name of this garden pea plant, and there are several contrasting character are studied by Mendel. In the following chart are seen some characters studied by Mendel. Some character, there are some traits like dominant and recessive character, dominant, and some are recessive character. In this chart, there are 7 pair of contrasting characters studied by Mendel. Some are dominating character and some are recessive character. These are the traits. These are the traits. What are the traits? Trait means it is inherited character that passes from one generation to the next generation. These are the traits. The first character studied by Mendel in garden pea plant, height of pea plant, height of stem. The first character, there are some dominating characters and some are recessive character. The height of stem, tall is dominating character and dwarf is recessive character of pea plant. This is the first character, height of stem. Tall is a dominating character and dwarf is recessive character, and there are genotypes capital T and dwarf plant small t. The first character. The second character, seed shape, round seeds, and it is a dominating character, and wrinkled seed is recessive character of pea plant. Round shape, This structure, this is a round, is a dominating character, and wrinkled seed means seed shape is a wrinkled, and this is the recessive trait of pea plants. And there are genotypes capital R, and small r. The second character of garden pea plant is seed shape. The third character, seed color. The dominating character is yellow seeds, and recessive character is green seed. Green is a recessive character of pea plant, and yellow is dominating character. The third character is seed color. Yellow is dominating, capital Y. These are genotypes, and green, small y, the recessive character of garden pea plant. The next character of pea plant, it is pod shape. The dominating character is inflated, and recessive character constricted. The seed shape of pea plant, inflated is dominating character and constricted. This inflated structure of pea plant as look like, this is the inflated structure of the pod shape, and constricted means this is a constriction is occurring in this pod shape, and these genotypes capital I and small I. These four pair of contrasting character in garden pea pod shape. The dominating character is inflated shape, and recessive character is constricted. The next character, the fifth character, pod color. The dominating character is green. This pod color, green is a dominating, and yellow color of pod is recessive character. This dominating character is green in pod color is green, dominating, and the pod color, yellow pod color is a recessive character of this pea plant. And there are genotypes capital G, green, and small g in recessive yellow character. The next character, flower color. The purple color of flower is dominating character, and white color of flower is recessive character. Purple is dominating, genotypes capital P, and white is a recessive character. It is a small p. This is the sixth one character, flower color of pea plant. The next character, flower location. Axile is dominating, axile location or position of flower. Axile flower, it is a dominating, and terminal flower terminal flower is the recessive character. Axial position of flower means the flower arises on axis. There arises in axial portion. It is a axis. This is a location of flower is occurring on axis, axial position of flower, and terminal means the flower arises at the tip. Flower arises at the tip means terminal position of flower, and the genotype of the axial capital A and terminal flower small a. These are the 7 pair of contrasting characters studied by Mendel. There are different pair of contrasting character: seed shape, height of stem, seed color, seed shape, pod color, pod shape, flower color, flower location. These are the 7 pair of contrasting character are studied by Mendel. The next one, turn. Why Mendel select these garden pea plants? There are so many characters of this plant. Some reason for selection of this garden pea plant. There are several reasons. Mendel studied the garden pea plant. Why garden pea plant select by Mendel? There are so many reasons. Some reasons. The first reason, this garden pea plant is annual plant. It is a annual plant. The lifespan of this garden pea plant is short. Within 1 year, this plant is grow in 3 to 4 months in year, and this plant is grow twicely or thricely in year, and that's why Mendel select this plant, because lifespan is a short. It is an annual plant, short lifespan. And this plant is grow in short area or in garden also, and that's why Mendel select this garden pea plant. Its lifespan is very short. Next reason for selection of this garden pea plant, this garden pea plant is small plant, small herbaceous plant, small herbaceous plant. It is a herb. This plant is a very small herbaceous. You know the plant, they are divided. Some plant is herb, some are shrub, some are trees. And this pea plant, the short plant, 3 to 4 centimeter height of this plant, and they can grow in short area, and that's why Mendel select this garden pea plant. The next reason for selection of this garden pea plant, this garden pea plants is a naturally self-pollinating plant. Naturally self-pollinating plant. This plant, the natural self-pollination is occurring. The first of all, the term, what is the pollination? Pollination means it is one of the important term occurring in plants. The reproduction, with the help of this pollination, reproduction is occurring in plants. The first of all, the term pollination. The pollination means the transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of one flower to another flower. This term is called the pollination. When these pollen grains is a male reproductive part is transferred from female reproductive parts, gynoecium or stigma, and this pollination is occurring with the help of some agents are involved for this pollination process, means some biotic organisms or biotic agents or abiotic agents are involved for the pollination. And this garden pea plant, it is a self-pollinating plant. There is no agent for involved pollination, and in this plant, the garden pea plant select for some reasons because the artificial pollination is done on this flower. This Mendel hybridization techniques are involved for the pollination, means self-pollinating plant. The artificial pollination is done in this plant and they are selected. The next one character of this garden pea plant, it is so many pair of contrasting character are seen. Many contrasting character. In garden pea plants having many pair of contrasting character, and that's why Mendel selects this garden pea plant. Because the many pair of contrasting characters means we are already studied the 7 pair of contrasting characters, means some height of stem, tall, dwarf, seed color, seed shape, pod shape. These are the several characters are seen in these garden pea plants, and that's why the Mendel selects this garden pea plant. The next reason, there is no intermediate character. No intermediate character. There is no intermediate character in pea plants. There are some reason for selection of this garden pea plant. This plant is an annual, very short lifespan. The next reason, this plant is a very small herbaceous plant. Third, it is a naturally self-pollinating. That's why it is a cross-pollination is done in this flower, and there are occurring variable characters. Also, this plant having many pair of contrasting characters, and there is no intermediate one in these pea plants.